If you've been caught out by the frost and your van's now overheating, this is what could have happened. So this is a water pump setup that they use on the Mark 7 Transit. What I'm turning here, that's the power steering pump, and it joins by this coupling piece here. So if we just go back and twiddle the end, you can see there that the coupling's not actually moving, which indicates something's gone wrong. So the water pump is mounted by 3 bolts that go all the way through from the front of the power steering pump to the water pump. So it's no good really trying to do this in situ. You're better off taking the whole thing out. They're then just pushed in, so bit of force and you can pull them apart. So this is the drive coupling, and you can see where that is. That's spinning, but the actual centre isn't moving at all. So she's got a bit of ice in there, tried to turn, and sheared off inside the coupling. So he's had it. Replacement is the only solution.